How to allow apps to access your location on your iPhone. There are two main ways you can do that on your iPhone so that apps you have on your device will be able to access their location. And the two settings or two ways available inside the settings icon. So tap on the settings icon, then scroll down to the base of this page and tap on app. So here you have access to every app you have on your device. For example, let's take a look at Chrome. Tap on the Chrome button or any apps you want to use on your device. Here you have it that allow Chrome to access. You see the first one is location. Tap on it. Once tap on it is that you select ask next time or when I share or while using this app. So once you tap on it, make sure that this preset location is turned on. If it's turned off, then this app will not access your location. So that is the first process on how to share your location or how to allow apps to access your location on your iPhone. The next step is still inside the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon on your device. Then scroll down to privacy and security. Tap on it. Now here you have location services. Tap on it. Now under location services, make sure that this app location services is turned on. If it's turned off, then you see that all the apps here has vanished. It has cancelled the location service. So make sure that this button is turned on. Once it's turned on, then locate the particular apps you want to access or you want to allow access. So for example, let me tap on the Chrome again, tap on it. Now you can see that it's still here. So all I have to do is, if it is under never, make sure it is under this when I ask next time or when I share or while using this app, and make sure that the precise location is turned on. So that is the simple process, guys, on how to allow app access to your location on your iPhone. If you hear this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.